G'day, how you doing? Adam Williams here from Easy Way Photography. Here we are at the wreck of the Excelsior in Port Adelaide. This is an old ship that was actually just dragged up here or driven up here and abandoned, and it really feels that way. It feels lost. It feels like a lost soul. There's something slightly haunting about it, at least to me. We've got this beautiful dark sky sort of drifting in and out, so I'm waiting for those dark heavy clouds to come over the top to really add to that lonely lost soul type image here. There's a beautiful reflection shimmering in the water there as well. There's the noises of the surrounding ports and some of the wildlife, which is a real kind of interesting soundscape, if you like. The banging of the docks and the chirping of the birds is rather a contrast of sounds, which is interesting. But the thing that I'm really enjoying is the real hauntedly feel of this abandoned lost soul that was just dragged up here and left, never to be used or wanted again. And it's got that feeling to it, absolutely. So that's what I'm going to try and capture and then process into my image in Photoshop later, that real lost soul feeling to the image. Just kind of contemplating. It's a bit sludgy, it's a bit murky, a bit gross in there, and I'm wondering if I put the 14mm Samyang and sort of wander into the sludge there, whether I can isolate the boat or the shipwreck here a little better than what I can with a 21mm from the sidelines. I guess there's no harm in giving it a shot other than getting particularly dirty. I hope there's nothing sharp that's going to cut me and whatnot in there, fingers crossed. But let's get the shoes off, roll the jeans up, put the 14mm Samyang on and get into the sludge and see if we can't get a more interesting angle. Okay, so I'm not sure if you could hear me when I was out there, but it did give me a much different perspective. It really opened up the expanse of water, pushed back the shrubs and trees here, or the mangroves here, pushed them right back and made the wreck here much more of a feature. But I'm still not 100% sure whether I'll prefer the angle from here with a 21mm lens or the one from out there. Now there's just some beautiful light coming back in now, shining on the shipwreck here, so we'll just grab a couple more shots here. Again, I've still got the 14mm Samyang on, beautiful lens this one. And in fact, I'm really enjoying that composition there now. If I get a little closer, hopefully without slipping in. Pull my pants up so you don't have to look at me builder's bum crack there. All right. Oh, isn't it always the case? You just want to get a little closer and a little closer, sort of sucking me in. I really wanted the dark clouds over the top of this wreck that were here half an hour ago, but they've all disappeared in the last 10 minutes, so we're left with blue sky. Now look, we could potentially fix that up and drop a new heavy sky in Photoshop, but it's going to take some pretty serious work because I've got the reflections to deal with as well. But the light's now beautiful here, so I guess we'll take what we can get. Okay, hopefully I've got the shots that I want. I got a whole bunch when it was more overcast about 10 or 15 minutes ago. I've now switched over to the 14, grabbed a few much more wider frames of the same composition here. I hope you enjoyed shooting with me at Port Adelaide at the beautiful Excelsior wreck here. Thanks again for watching along, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.